I've literally got one word to express how I feel about discovering Scott's method in conversational hypnosis is excitement. I've been using hypnosis as part of my business to help women recover from serious binge eating and food addictions and any disordered eating. Even though I've refined my program and have been able to help people in just 6 weeks, I still found it sometimes a challenge to actually make that huge move because they've been suffering from their disordered eating for so long. And thankfully, for my personal experience in eating disorders for over 2 decades, I was able to complement the hypnotherapy that I've learned over the past few years to be able to provide my ladies with the results that they wanted. But I still found it a struggle that I couldn't just rely on the hypnosis alone to give them the results. I had to really hold their hand and give them other tools. And for many of the people that I work with, yeah, that worked fine. But then there was others that really struggled to follow these assignments and these tasks that I asked them to do during my program. And this is when I decided to look elsewhere to see if I can find something that was more efficient in helping me with my ladies. So I decided to do Scott's conversational hypnosis, and oh my word, something that would usually take me up to 7 sessions in hypnosis to get the transformation. I have recently experienced transformation for my ladies in not 7, not 6, 5 or 4 or 3, but actually I have been able to help my ladies recover from decades of disordered eating in just one powerful session. It's like I cannot believe this is just the best thing ever, because it's so embedded in their unconscious that traditional hypnosis often didn't work because they were unconsciously resisting the hypnosis, not on purpose, but it would be kind of like a natural reaction to the hypnosis, traditional hypnosis that is. But with a conversational hypnosis, it's so natural that the resistance isn't there. So if, for example, I had a client, and many of my ladies actually have kind of symptoms of kind of hypervigilance due to their, past experiences, they often don't really need to feel threatened because we're just having a conversation. And as a result of having this normal conversation to them, that's when the breakthrough happens, because they've got their guard down, and then they're able, and this is the magic thing, they're able to find the resources to overcome their disordered eating their way. And I think that's why I just love this technique. And it isn't really a technique as such, because Scott would hate me saying that, but it's a method that just gets rid of all the fluff that the traditional hypnosis usually carries, I guess, like things that people don't connect with, and you're kind of hoping for the best. But with the conversational hypnosis, what I'm saying is the actual client themselves find their infinite resources that's already inside them to make the change themselves, and that's why it's so powerful. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you, Scott, for allowing me to learn this method, because it's literally saving lives. And I just want to say thank you so much. And if anyone is considering doing this course, I just have to say 2 words, no, 3 words. Go for it. It is life-changing.